Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝐒𝐥𝐻. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig. This wig was sent to me from RPG Hair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is in the style 𝐿𝐥𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐧𝐞𝐥𝐬. The length is 18 inches. This is a 9x6 HD lace closure wig. The density is 180%. The hair texture is Kinky Curly, and here's an up close of the hairline. This is RPG Hair's upgraded clean hairline, and it literally is perfection. The hairline features tiny microscopic knots. The knots are also deep bleached, and this wig features HD lace for a perfect melt. This wig is ready to wear straight out of the package. You don't have to do any extra steps to customize it. The ends of these curls spiral, and the curl pattern is so pretty. The wig cap features a removable elastic band and 3 combs. The removable elastic band has a silicone strip for extra security. The wig cap also features an upgraded special design that fits snugly around your ears for maximum comfort. The wig combs are also removable and can easily be placed onto the wig or taken off of the wig cap. And this wig does also come with pre-cut lace. Best of all, this is a 9x6 lace closure wig, so you can wear this wig completely glueless. Okay, so here's a full 360 of how the wig looks when you first take it out of the package. Of course, these curls come in this uniformed curl pattern, and I typically do co-wash my curly wigs before I style them. So that is what I'm going to do with this wig, but I do want to show you how deep the parting space is. First, this is 6 inches of parting space. Look at how deep that parting space is, you guys. You can do so many different hairstyles. I'm going to show you just a quick example of 2 space buns on this wig. Super easy, super quick. I did co-wash this wig off camera, and here is how the curl pattern looks with no product in it at all. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. So I am going to go ahead and tint the lace. This is always an optional step. If you are not wearing makeup with your install, I do not suggest tinting the lace. If you do tint it, I only suggest tinting the scalp portion of it, but not the hairline portion of it. So when you do my method of creating your own custom lace tints, the lace tint color around your hairline is the color of your foundation. But if you're not wearing foundation, it may be off. It may be thrown off in color because your natural bare skin may be a different color completely from your foundation. So it will not blend in as seamlessly and evenly if you tint the lace without wearing makeup. So yeah, skip that step if you're not wearing makeup. Of course, I'm doing a video, so I'm showing you guys how it looks with makeup on, and that's the reason why I normally tint my wigs. So now I am just going to grab a spray bottle of water and my detangling comb, as well as my Denman brush and a curling gel. I'm just going to separate the hair into smaller sections, fully saturate that section with water, and then use my detangling comb to go through the sections just to make sure that everything is detangled. I'm going to apply that curling gel onto the section and then use my Denman brush from the bottoms on upwards to get these curls to pop. So do not forget to apply product to your hairline. And because we are doing like some close-ups in the sun, I want to show you guys how flawless this HD lace melts into your skin without any glue, because we are doing a completely glueless install today. So because of that, I'm just going to brush those hairs backwards so that we can have a very clear view of the hairline. But you want to make sure that you are taking your time styling the front of the wig, because that's pretty much the most important part. Like, that is the part that is the statement. You know what I'm saying? So yes, I'm going to just do that, and then I'm going to try this wig on. If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag curls in the comments. So grabbing the wig, I am going to adjust the elastic band as needed and then place the wig onto my head. As you can already see, it just flawlessly melts into my skin. However, my hairline is more rounded and this wig is more of a square. So you can see my edges on the two sides, and that is the part of my hairline that I am going to just add a little bit of gel to, and then I'm just going to swoop it to mimic kind of like baby hairs, just so that it can blend in with the rest of the hairline. I'm also grabbing some concealer and I'm just going to widen the part because I just wanted the part to be a little bit more wide, and I did want the part to be a little bit more defined as well. I'm using some edge control on my hairline, and then I'm just going to put a headscarf on for 5 minutes to allow that edge control to set. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct link to this wig from RPG Hair down below in the description box. So check down below for more information. I love how flawless this lace just melts into my skin. I love the fact that you can wear this wig completely glueless. I love the curl pattern on this wig. I think it's perfect for the hot, super hot weather that we are having right now. It's not too much hair that is like so long and sticky on your neck and your back. It's like a cute little bob, like a curly bob. I think that is so dope. And you can wear it like completely out of your face. You can do your half up, half down hairstyles. So I did end up using my pick just to fluff it out a little bit, and then I did do a side part as well. Which hairstyle was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Let's chat everything, this hair texture, this wig, down below in the comment section. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys. 𝐿𝐥𝐿𝐴. Yeah, that's right. It's 𝐿𝐥𝐿𝐴.